O. Okay, now let me call out the sounds. A, B, K, D, A. Okay, hope सबको दिख रहा है. A, B, K, D, A. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O. P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Z. Okay, so these are the sounds of the letters which help us in making the words in the spellings. Now see, there are 5 vowels. Okay, which are the 5 vowels? I'm circling the vowel letters. Okay, this is A. A, E, I, O, U are the vowel letters. Okay, the sound, first sound we will take A and we will learn to make the words with A sound. Okay, step by step we will move ahead. A. T. And. And. T. A. P. The app. The step. P. A. T. Bat. A. T. Mat. Let me frame one sentence with these A sound words. Whenever we write a sentence, the first letter should be in capital. It is A, K, A, T, cat, S, A, T, sat. This is on. This is O letter which gives O sound, on. A cat sat on a at mat. You can draw a mat. Okay, you can draw a cat. Simply a rough sketch I made. A cat sat on a mat. There are many more